So we implemented big things. We almost implemented all necessary points on our checklist. On the left is in-game transaction, but to implement this we should to have logic inside our admin site. And before this, let's prepare everything to build our game and upload this game on admin side. Then on admin side in the settings we set up our button control mapping, and then we also add logic for restarting the game. And we need to first of all to check our project settings and check this all set up correctly. First of all is our company game. It's Luxodd Games. You can use your name. Next one is our product name. Next one is version. Because it's better, I will use this approach, but you can use simple like number like 1, 2, 3, 4, all the same. Next one is important things we should in resolution presentation select our template, Luxodd template, because it's important. This template contains necessary setting that allow your game open with full screen inside on our platforms. On our side, you can see development and export tips for arcade, use Unity export tips, other settings, and we need to check that our settings are the same like on this script. And on this setting you can use decompression fallback because it's important for our system. And data caching. Other settings you can set up if it's necessary for your game, but for our platform it's not necessary. So we prepared everything, and now let's build our game. We create separate folder for it with name builds, and let's build. Build still continue to assembly. It's when you prepare build first time, it take a time, but when you prepare it other time, it will be more faster. So it's okay if your first build take a lot of time. So our build assembly, let's do this, let's do some uh, steps before we upload. So first of all, we should use not this raw file, we should to use zip archive. To do this, let's add this to archive. I will use WinRAR on your mm, desktop can be other tools that create archive. Zip Flappy Birds Arcade Flappy Birds Arcade and version 0.50 and number of our assembly to first our assembly created. Now let's go to our admin panel, login, here our game, and edit and choose our archive. You see plugin version already recognized it, and we set up our version 0.50. For now we do not use prices and price for continue under start because it's only for testing now. Updating. You see our game is uploaded. Now it's uploaded. And other things that we need to do is set up our controls. We use use for button jump. For the button we did not use, so we remove this. And about joystick, it's used for movement. We don't know needed to set up this and update. Now our game use two buttons. Oh, I think we should to change not for this, but for use for AI to be more understandable. Yeah, and let's check our game. Here's our game. Select, choose to play, and I will use gamepad to see if it's work properly. Yes, it's work, but I saw that our background sprite looks like small for our screens, but for now it's not important. Let's check out leaderboard. Leaderboard is work. Let's play and jump. So main functionalities work. We need to add correct behavior for quit button, because when we select to quit, it should be go to the our game selection menu and other things. And when we inside game screen, we should have added in-game transaction logic. And when we selected back to main menu, we also should to go not on this menu, on this scene, but go to the our game selection screen inside on our arcade. And let's implement this. So let's first of all fix it, this small issue. It's about our background sprite size. And second things, it's about back buttons. So when we click to back, we should to go on our game selection menu, not on the back from the game to menu. And third things, it's need to add logic for restarting. When we use restart, it should go restarting our session inside the arcade. If no, we should go back on our menu. So let's step by step implement this, and starting with quick fix. Go on our main menu scene, and this is our sprites. We should enlarge, I don't know, let's 150. Yes. Next things, it's our game scene, the same. Next one, like I say, we should have opportunity go to the our main selection menu. To do this, we should call special method inside our plugin scripts. It's on WebSocket service. We have methods that call back to menu, back to system. And let's implement this method. We need to add this on our menu state. So let's go to the script and add this behavior. Now we implement this back to our system. It's from main menu. The same behavior should add and game scene in game state. Let's implement this. Also analyze this behavior. We can quickly check to prepare build and check it on our platforms. Our build already assembled. I will upload it on our system and trying to check. As you can see, our background size is correct. Let's check quit. For some reason quit did not work properly. Let's check inside on game. Back from main from game scene work correct. So we need to figure out what's happening this button in main menu and then switch to final task. So we have two issues. First of all, in our game, when we go to the main menu, we cannot return back to game selection for some reason. And second things, it's we need to implement in-game transactions. So let's fix it first and add it second and see how it looks like. First of all, let's see what we have in our main menu. Go to our menu state. Oh, that's simple. Bug. I forgot to call this method. Or not. It should be called. Okay, let's check the same here on game state. Now let's check this. Okay, we'll save it. Let's add it to our site. Ready? Let's check.